What is up, guys? I'm back with another new video, and today I don't even know what to title this video because we're basically gonna be putting in the back of my rear seat, taking out my sub box, fixing everything up in the trunk, cleaning around the trunk. So like basically I'm fixing up like the back half of my car. I still don't know what to title that. But yeah, so the first thing I want to do is I want to take out my sub, and then I want to take everything out from the trunk on the top. You know, I'll leave the spare in and stuff because I have a mat that actually went in and held the sub in place, but I took it out because I tried to save weight when I first got the car, and you know that little mat for the trunk really saves you a lot of weight, guys, you know, trust me. But yeah, so first things first, take out the sub box, take out the carpet in the trunk, and then take out whatever else is floating around up there. Yeah, so I know there's these wires back here. I hope I'm getting the shot. Okay, so I got those, and now I just gotta take the box out. Okay, box is out. Time for the carpet. The nasty carpet. I'll probably vacuum before I throw it back in. Things all tore up. The person that had it before tore it up. Oh, my spare. And it still is there. That's nice. I have to also have to reset my the wood, or the cardboard, I guess you can call it. How does this go? It just goes like this. Alright. Okay. Let's see, there's that's probably just to take it up. Okay. Alright, and then we'll worry about this in a minute, but I want to worry about the back seat. That's my biggest thing right now. So I hope I still have all the bolts for this. It should be just those 4, I think, because yeah, alright, I think those are all the bolts that came with it. I'll look around just to make sure, but yeah, this is gonna be a pain to put in at first. It is not bolted down though. I also have my amp back here. Don't look at this rat's nest. But I actually need to reroute this wire. I want to put it through where the seat kind of folds in like the brace. That way it doesn't, I don't know, get cut by the metal or something. I don't know, but I just feel better if it did that. But yeah, so I gotta finish tightening everything down and kind of messing around with it. I almost thought it wasn't gonna line up at first, but it worked out. Yeah, that thing is heavy. Let me tell you, trying to lift it up and put it into the spot, that thing is heavy. Oh wait, I think I put the bolts in the wrong spot. I think those bolts are supposed to go down here. That's why it probably wasn't the easiest to get it started. Gosh dang it. Now I gotta find the bolt that goes to the middle for this piece. Cause I know that was the whole thing. Also, why I want to do this is because it would rattle like crazy with my bass. And it got annoying. I feel like that's just not sitting right. That's like as low as it goes. That's weird. But oh yeah, and don't smack your head on these things. Those things hurt. But yeah, so I need to try and find at least 2 so I can put some on each end. They should be 10s, I think. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna run this wire through this like middle passage right here. And it should be up here. Yeah, okay. So I wanted it to go through here instead of back here, just because there's some sharp edges and stuff, and I'd rather not have that get cut. Plus, look at all the slacking. I have my sub back there, and no wires, and this will be under the cushion. It looks good, guys, I promise. The back seat is all in, all nice and cleaned up. I already cleaned the top part and up here because they're all crusty and dirty. I also realized that with the back part in, this sits really weird now. Might have to end up moving the amp. Gotta put this piece in. Get rid of this tape. No, don't fall on the floor. Alright. So, wait a minute. Okay, I guess that this goes like this. There was a massive web on that, and then I opened it and there's a giant spider with baby spiders. So I killed them. But yeah, okay, so it's kind of folded up, so it's kind of hard to tell. But so this part's all torn up, but it's the exact fit because the person that owned it before put that in, and he cut it out, or she, I don't know. But I'm thinking about just putting that in instead of this, because there's no point having the ripped up old carpet and this one at the same time, and I can just have that. I'll just put this one in for now. I'll sit on this, you know, think about putting this one in. But for the most part, I'm just gonna do this. Alright, so I can see why he had it, because it shows some white. He didn't cut it perfectly. But I still want to stick with just this over that. If the white and stuff showing really bothers me that much, then I'll throw in the other carpet. But I'm just gonna keep the sub for now. Or the sub. The mat for now. But now is the time to put in the sub. That's what I was going with this. So, and then I can adjust it, and hopefully it doesn't move. No, I think I'm gonna have to put in the carpet. Hold on. Alright, so it's all in. It does look better. Kinda glad I did that instead. And like the carpet had like the padding, like the sound deadening stuff under it. So, okay, I'll just show you guys. The carpet has this stuff under it. So, no, dang it, that's not gonna come forward. Oh well. Alright, now I can put the sub in and get it looking all nice. Alright, so I don't think the sub's gonna move. It sticks to the up as I just move it. Alright, well, defeating my purpose there. But well, I gotta put it in. That's all good. Alright, the sub is hooked up. I mean, that's basically it for now. I mean, I don't really got anything else to do. What I really want to do is I want to put my amp on the back right here, but I can't because my amp is too big. I've already tried, so I'm gonna have to end up waiting that out until my amp dies. So finished everything in the interior, cleaned it up a little bit. It was a little dirty. I need to have like a full detailed day for me. But also got some funds for the build. You know, we got 52 cents. You know, we're getting closer to that supercharger, guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I still have no idea what I'm gonna call this video. I really don't. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, please leave a like. I have a big surprise coming later this week for my car. It's already on. It's also one of the reasons I parked backwards. I mean, other than to help me with, you know, my back seat stuff, make it easier on myself. But it's a nice surprise. All right, make sure you guys tune in. It's either gonna be Thursday or Friday. If it's Friday, it's probably gonna be Friday morning, midday. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.